believe, mom, the skills that I can contribute is my adaptability and my willingness to learn.
Where do you see yourself 5 years within the company?
5 years from now, mom, I can see myself as being promoted and become successful with the help of our company. And I assure that I have many done first and contribution for this company.
Thank you, Mr. Sano. We'll be in touch soon.
Mr. Ayako, as described here in your resume, I see that you've had a lot of experiences, which is great. It is great. But I would like to ask you a question. Why should we hire you? What other qualifications or skills can you contribute to this company? Do you think you're a good fit for this company?
As stated there in the resume, yes. I do think I'm a good fit for this company. Well, my past experiences is not useful for fun. Even if this is a difficult decision that is really take, I can handle it properly. Because I think it's possible to do it well. And I believe the more experience I face, the more knowledge I have.
So, you believe it means start with the below position, like a janitor?
I prefer a higher position, but I am willing to take it.
Good to hear that you are willing to take on any position, even as a janitor, but I'm just kidding. You will not look as a janitor since it's not the job you're applying for.
And now we are done. Thank you, Mr. Sano and Mr. Ayento. We will reach out to you through email and call once we verify your application.
Thank you, ma'am.
Miss Berdilao, can I have the application papers? I want to know if there's any qualified employees.
What's wrong? Did someone get fired again?
You know how insensitive Miss Castillo is. If there's something wrong, it's a big deal for her.
She was so cruel. Miss Bautista. Yes, ma'am. Please call the manager from the financial management, please. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
You're late. 5 minutes past 12 minutes past 8. Miss Peter, what do you think of that?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I double-checked the...
No, I already done it. I don't like your response. You're fired.
But, ma'am.
No, get lost.
Her voice, she's just insensitive. She's always been like that, you know.
Okay, here's the application letter.
Thank you, Miss Berdilao. Thank you, Miss Ilan.
Yes! Oh, Mr. Sano.
Yes, Mr. Ayento.
Look at me now. I'm your senior manager of CFO. Where's my good morning, sir? Can you spell it?
Sorry, Mr. Ayento. I forget that you're my senior. Congratulations, sir.
May I know why did you bring me here?
May I know how to get a higher position like a senior manager?
Mr. Ayento, to get a higher position in the company, you must prove to yourself that you are qualified for the position you wanted.
The CEO promoted Mr. Sano instead of Mr. Ayento because of his behavior and also because the CEO saw Mr. Sano's hard work.
Promote you as my executive director? Yes. since my friends Idanio has own business that she need to focus on, so that I promote you as my executive director to handle this company, handles my company, so that I can promote you as my executive director. Congratulations, Mr. Sano. Yes.